carnage, Rubbing's Racing.
Hey, what's up guys? We're out here at the 7th annual freaking Midwest Dirt Fest. That's right, 7th. Has it been that long already?
Oh, sorry, what were you saying? It's been 7 years already, I think.
This is my cherry being popped.
Yeah. Well, Morgan's excited to see all the water and the greenery of Michigan.
Wow. Yep.
Yeah.
Pretty bad.
Red Farms.
I can walk you down to the lake later. It's right at the corner there.
I'm gonna go cruise out and we'll see who's ripping on the track. Hopefully everybody holds it together. Right, Josh? Fingers crossed. Hey, Bucket Bros! You guys may know his property. It is the Send Forest. What do you guys even call that place?
We call it our Bucket Bros Paradise.
Not Pre-Runner Narnia.
Oh my God, I think I'm in Narnia.
Oh,
Pre-Runner Narnia? I don't know. What should we name that place?
I don't know what the people should.
Yeah, let's see. Hopefully we'll be headed there this week too. But all right, guys. Well, they're gonna go. We'll check out the track. Hey guys, so Amanda's here. Amanda's always behind the scenes, holding everything down, as you can see. All the important paperwork, all the trophies, all the great stuff, handling all the drivers, and any problems that come along. She's amazing. She's one of the reasons why this event holds it down, and why this event's been so strong. So, Amanda, thank you for everything you've been doing. Hopefully we'll see Amanda this fall in Glamis.
Yeah.
Maybe?
Yeah, we're planning on it.
Well, you ride a 450? 250. What is it?
It's a Honda.
She rides a Honda CRF 250 and she'll probably smoke all of you. So yeah, there's that. Ryland's here.
Hi.
Ryland, Tyson, and Luke have been the ones to put this thing together for many, many years.
We've had, I think, 95 entries that pre-registered this year, so
Wow.
a lot more trucks. That's the big thing we like to see. I think the first year we had it.
Oh, roasted.
Yeah, so the first year we had it, we invited the UTV guys so that we had enough drivers to kind of make it an eventful race.
To at least, like, you didn't know if people were going to come or not or whatever, right?
Right, exactly. And so now we're actually having to end pre-registration early for some of the classes just so that we can make sure we don't get too many people. So
Right.
we've got like 51 trucks, 44 UTVs.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's going to be a good time.
Wow, dude. And right now it's practice, right?
Practice. People are already sending it big. We've had a couple rollovers already.
Dude.
Everyone's safe, but yeah, it's going to be a solid weekend for sure.
Yeah, it took me 7 years to get here a day early.
I'm actually surprised.
Well, I made it, and the kids came too. Say hey, guys. Let's get you guys some more practice action. What are they doing?
Go-kart racing! Go-kart racing! Go-kart racing!
Yes! 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 Yes!
So this is the first time for the golf carts, and it seems as if they're doing the Golf Cart 1000. This is probably the longest race they've ever had here. Would you guys agree? Yeah. Pretty long. But these guys are building up some endurance because these dudes are going to be sore. Very sore tomorrow. guys, so we're in the Jesse Pigeon Mobile right now. We're on our way to check out the mini bikes. It's gonna be good stuff. Those guys go really hard. Go check that out. After that, jump comp. But mini bike time, let's go, bro. That's a lot of mini bike dudes, and they're out for blood. They ain't playing here, dude.
It's gonna be carnage. Rubbing's racing.
My boy's truck is for sale. We did an episode on it. We'll throw the link right here. Cool truck, right? Any details, you guys can hit him up. We'll put his Instagram right here. You guys can pick that thing up. That thing is a beast. It has been gone through like crazy.
Oh, yeah.
It is fast. I'm actually kind of sad you're selling it, but
It's not sold yet, but
yeah.
it could be yours.
It could be yours. It's a badass truck. Check it out. This is our boy right here. First trip, what, like 8 years ago, 9 years ago?
It's been around for a while.
Dude, awesome
Done
truck.
well.
You're gonna make me cry, bro. All right, we gotta go. Fill us in. What's happening?
This is my favorite part. All right, so right now we're running trail bikes like 18-inch wheel or bigger, and there's also 2 Surons that are going to join in. Then we're running 110s, or actually we're going to run women's and then 110s after that.
Dude, nice.
Crazy.
This is like its own thing now.
I know, we're talking about doing like pit bike nationals at Dirt Fest.
I love it, dude. Let's go. The champ right here, dude. Hey, absolute ripper, dude. Let's go. Is our first place right here? Oh, yeah. Let's go, dude. Hey, let's go. Hell yeah.
That's a good time, man.
Dude. So yeah, guys, this is the moment you've been waiting for. The big jump is finally here. They prepped it. It's ready to go. Lots of people here. Check it out. People in all the hills over here. Around this whole thing. Lots of entries this year, lots of people here. Such a good vibe. It's amazing weather right now. It's time for everybody to send it. Let's see who takes it this year. Lots of the boys broke today. A lot of them are gonna get fixed tonight. Ryan Langer's shop out in Grand Rapids. They'll be out for the dunes. So a lot of the familiar faces you guys have seen are not running, but there's a lot of new guys, so let's check it out. It should be pretty good. Super success.
Truck's still running.
Absolutely.
I had fun.
Yes.
Probably the biggest event to date. Based on the feedback we've gotten from the front gate, I think this is the biggest year we've had. We had 95 people pre-register.
Wow.
The crowd was packed. That side was packed. Nowhere to park. Couldn't have asked for a better event.
Heck yeah, dude. Very cool. Hey, Tyson, guess what? I think I think this guy might be the winner of those lights we were talking about. I think. What do you guys think? Yeah, I think so. People's Choice. Let's go. We'll tell them. There he is. That's the guy that won. 3 years? 3 years in a row. 3 years in a row, dude. Congratulations,
Thank you, sir.
dude. You killed it, dude. Holding it down always, guys. Langer Racing, you guys, they make a bunch of badass stuff. Dude, this guy drives everything he builds. Check out their site. You guys are making housings, right? Yep. Lots of stuff. If you guys are from the Midwest, or you guys are from anywhere from out there, these guys get stuff done, and it is proven. Proven, dude. I gotta tell you, next year, we're planning on coming. I'm gonna try to bring some guys, but I'm gonna tell you, anybody who's planning on coming next year, I don't know, man. Ryan's the guy, dude. Ryan's the guy. So, I don't know.
Come knock me off the pedestal, it'll be okay.
All right, tell us about your truck, dude.
We got a 95 Ranger LS Gen 4 5.3 TH 400, 8.8 leaf springs. Real basic setup.
Dude, honestly, how many rabbit's feet do you have in there? Like, what did you do? Like, what's your routine? Where is all of this from? Dude, you absolutely crushed it, man.
Snubbers in the rear. There's not even bump stops.
Let's go.
And it stays together for us.
Insane, dude. Hey, thank you, man, so much. Awesome. Killed it, dude. Absolutely. People were definitely stoked.
Oh, yeah, good.
Wow.
Crowd, so.
Wow, dude. Wow.
Aston's probably the crowd favorite. This has been 2 years in a row that Ryan's being him out. So.
We'll use this for now.
Yeah, let's go, dude.